Example sentence with the verb run in different tenses.
Present simple, she runs in the park every morning.
Present continuous, they are running a marathon next week.
Present perfect, he has run 5 kilometers so far.
Past simple, I ran a mile yesterday.
Past continuous, we were running late for the meeting.
Past perfect, she had run a marathon before, so she was prepared.
Future simple, they will run in the race next month.
Future continuous, I will be running the marathon at this time tomorrow.
Future perfect, by the end of the year, he will have run 1,000 miles.
These sentences showcase the verb run in different tenses, demonstrating its usage across various time frames.